Respected coordinator, pre-PhD coursework 2021. My name is Vishal Prabhakar Sakre, working as a lecturer at Law College Osmanabad. My research topic, which deals with the drug addiction and its controlling measures in Indian law, a critical study with special reference to NDPS Act 1985. My research topic, which is deals with under the chapterization of first chapter is introductory chapter. The second is the historical overview of problem of drug addiction and classification of substance abuse, a comparative approach. Second is the drug crime and social disorder relation with the substance abuse and violence. My third topic, which deals with the contribution of criminal justice system to control the substance abuse and violence, a critical approach. And the last chapter, which is deal with the remedial measures for how to control the such evil of society which is deeply rooted in the worldwide nation problem. That considering my research topic, that about my problem is concerned, the drug addiction, its controlling measures and legislative policy. For that purpose, that the addiction problem is the worldwide burning problem which is faced by the all over world. And in respect of the worldwide problem is concerned, there is a golden triangle concept, because there are several countries which is involved in the drug trafficking business, which those countries which is involved, like that Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, Bermuda, and Bangladesh, even Brahmadesh. There are so many countries which is included under that gold triangle. The addiction affects the development and growth of country, and also which is adversely affect on the human beings. The legislative enactments, which is itself shows that the object of that enactment is something failed, and for that purpose, to preventing such type of drug trafficking problem and addiction problem, it is necessary to take the effective step to enact the some new types of amendments under these acts. The new legislative policy in respect of amendment which is required to be implemented by the some of the research conducting on new discovery of facts, and some legislative amendment which is helpful for to control such problem. Regarding my idea is concerned, there is a historical perspective of addiction problem and what is mean by addiction. If we understand that concept, the addiction, that means there is a consumption of the any drugs which is goes beyond the prescription of medical limits, then it is amounts to an addiction. And factors responsible for drug addiction, including the psychological factor, economical factor, social factor, and other factors which is mostly responsible for the drug addiction in the so many countries. Regarding the types of drugs, include the marijuana, cocaine, afim, charas, ganja, brown sugar, and whitener, and etc. These are the problems of drug these are the types of drugs. Including the methods of drug addiction, there are consumption of intake of drugs through consumption, smoking, inhalant, and by means of injectable manner. And regarding the remedial measures and legislative policies, it is necessary to take the effective step in the recent trend. Regarding the targeted outcomes are new policies and measures, that the rehabilitation center and concept of self-reporting, and new amendment under the NDPS Act 1985, and remedial measures. Thank you.